This is a used 2013 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include keyless entry, a trip computer, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.